If you are concerned about the development of a certain industry, whether you are an industry analyst, consultant, or decision maker, Powerdrill will become your AI data analysis assistant. With Powerdrill, importing your data is quite easy. Whether you are tracking industry trends or sales characteristics, transforming data into insights is just a click away. Imagine importing a comprehensive dataset covering video game sales from 1980 to 2020. Pose your most burning questions to Powerdrill. Inquisitive about the peak sales years, the success of various game genres, or the regional market sales differences? Powerdrill has the answers at your fingertips. Dive deep into the data. Powerdrill surfaces the trends that matter, revealing the hidden patterns and peaks. This will help you optimize your decisions based on market insights. Because in marketing, those who see deeper, succeed bigger. Turn your data into stunning visuals. Powerdrill's intuitive charting tools bring your insights to life, making it easier to present your findings. With one click, generate comprehensive reports that are both data-rich and design-savvy. Experience the transformative power of data. With Powerdrill, you're not just analyzing data, you're optimizing your insights to drive real business growth for your clients. Ready to elevate your market analysis? Start your journey with Powerdrill today.